Okay, so now we have it open. We figured out when you don't have a forklift and have wood blocks under the hitch, everything's open. Now we got the forklift on. This is showing it open. We have this end is a magnetic breakaway, so you hit something, it'll break back. It also folds up for when you're in road transport. The drop tubes are on 15-inch spacing. So the big question, why do we even want a dribble bar? Why not surface apply? There's two main reasons. The first one is happier neighbors. It cuts down on odor because you're not spraying it through the air, so you don't get all the fine particles, and it reduces odor, so you have happier neighbors. The second reason, if you're doing spring forage, small grains, this does not blow the stalks flat like a regular nozzle does. So the stalks stay standing and it holds the manure better, so you don't get as much runoff because all the stems stay standing and it will not run off as quick. This one is 37.5 feet wide. The distributor has 3 rotating knives in it. They cut the debris, any debris that comes through with the manure, they cut, and that is reversible, so you can run it both directions. We have everything is swept elbows, so there's less pressure loss. And then we have a pig dump down here in the bottom.